Hello, my beautiful people, to my newcomers, and hey, what's up, bitches? If you've already been in my channel, this week we will be recreating this gorgeous look. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty proud of myself because I actually nailed it, in my opinion. I hope you like it, and I hope you think the same. And if you don't, well, I don't know what to tell you. Tell somebody. But this, little dome crease or whatever, I'm drawing a blank. I can't remember what it's called, but I had never been able to do it, and I did it this time. So we're growing here, and we're also using Dose of Colors Blushing Berries palette, which is a beautiful, beautiful palette. Look at this like rose, the berries, pink, just gorge, just gorge, and oldie but certainly a goodie. I love. And yeah, I came up with this, and I hope you guys stay and watch this video. I'm gonna be talking about my baby. It's mommy talk week because why not? I had been a little absent. It's just so much going on in the world. It's just so much going on in the world right now that I really, really needed a little bit of time to just get my mind together and, show support at the same time, to all the injustices that are going on. And then, the issues that we are having with the coronavirus and stuff, and the Black Lives Matter movement, which, I certainly support. I did want to take a little bit of time to just kind of come back. Mental health is very, very important, and sometimes a lot can just be overwhelming, and I like to take care of me so I can take care of others. And I just needed some time to get myself together, and, as I said, to show some support too. And just, we're back, still, supporting this movement, still staying healthy, and my family's staying healthy. So I'm just trying to deal with everything at the same time, and it's hard. And I hope you on the other side are also taking care of yourself mentally, spiritually, emotionally, and yeah, of course, doing what you can for others, but also for yourself. If there's no you can help out. So yeah, I mean, from here on out, I'm back and everything's fine. I'm okay. It's just, it was a little hard. This year has been trying, but we will come back stronger because that's what we do. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe, show some love. I'll show some love back. Do subscribe to my Instagram channel as well. Makeup by _Nandis. Show some love. See what's going on over there and tell me. Some feedback is nice always. Yeah, and let's get started with the 221S MAC brush and our color Mixed Berries, okay? All right, so let's talk about the fact that my child is already crawling everywhere, climbing everything, and just, oh my God. If I thought I worked out before, this is just, I don't stop. I don't stop. I don't stop chasing after this little girl. Like, who knew having a 10-month-old was gonna be just, and I mean, she started crawling like around 7 months, but now it's just like running, like it's just so fast. Like I turn around and she's like on the other side of the house. 217S MAC brush with our color Rose Berry, which is beautiful. Yeah, and like, or she, oh my gosh, she follows me everywhere. I think I mentioned it in the last video that I can't even go to the freaking bathroom because I just hear click, 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 and it's just her running after me. But no, not even that. Like she can't lose me from her sight because it's like, where's mommy? Where's mommy? And I'm like, girl, chill. I'm just like 2 feet away from you. You can see me. Or sometimes she'll be watching her movie and she turns around and she's like, oh, mommy's right there. Okay. Like, because I'm in the kitchen or something. And then she'll just make sure like I'm there where she could see me, and then she'll go back to doing what she was doing. E40 blending brush is a Sigma brush with their color Berry Cheek. This color gives me like a little bit of like nudie vibes, but it's more like it's pretty. It's like pinkish. I don't know how to explain it. Anyways, yeah, like, so it's like, and even then I'm lucky. Like if I'm lucky, she'll just see me and resume her exploring, her being intrepidatious. Hey, Little Mermaid. Anyways, and but no, usually she'll just go and see what I'm doing because I can seriously not be doing anything else than paying attention to her. How dare I? But seriously, it's just like, oh my God. So she got this new thing where she climbs the couch, and our couch is against the wall, like directly against the wall. So she'll crawl the couch on top of the couch and then crawl around. And I'm like, Lisa, with a concealer flat brush, we're gonna create our dome crease, a little dome cut crease. All right, baby. This is actually really hard for me. But anyways, so yeah, so she'll be crawling around the couch, on top of the couch. And I'm just like, girl, you're gonna hurt yourself. Oh no. Let me tell you what she finds fun. So, my husband, hold your breath, hold your breath. So to keep her entertained when we're changing her diaper, so she doesn't put her hands where they don't go, or kick or whatever, he started like making it like a fun time, right? Like kind of like laughing with her and just making it kind of like a game. Well, now she thinks that every time mommy or daddy change her diaper, it's playtime. So you know what she does? She flips and starts crawling away in the bed. So now we have little booty cheeks running around the bed because she doesn't let me change her diaper. Clean booty cheeks, at least I get to wipe it, but playtime. Mommy doesn't have the energy to play anymore. We're going back with the mixed berry color. Yeah, so most of the time changing a diaper is a job for two because somebody has to like entertain her so she doesn't start crawling around with her dirty butt. And now with the color Roseberry, we're gonna blend it so it gives it that like blended look right there, like transitioning from color to color. Anyways, if you would have told me, 3 years ago, when I was having out fun and drinking and doing my thing and dancing the night away, that I was gonna be chasing naked butts across my bed, I would have never thought they would be tiny butts. Oh, how times change. Now with my Fender Bender brush, I'm going to use the Juvia's highlighter, the Tribe 3, Volume 3, my Fender Bender, and that's what I'm going to use for my little shimmery, okay? Because I'm going to use that highlighter, so might as well. And we're just going to fill in the middle. So yeah, that's my life now, chasing little naked butts. And it's just because she thinks it's playtime, so like she starts laughing and jumping around and it's like, stop it. Oh, poopy diaper. Oh, how my vocabulary has changed. Poopy diaper. Not shots. Now, if you have to go back and like kind of fill in a little bit, that's okay. Or at least that's okay for us. Don't worry about it. Now we're going to use our black cream pencil liner and do our bottom eyeliner. Fenty Beauty gel liner in the color Cause I'm Black. And I love this. I super love this. I absolutely love this. This is the 212 MAC brush. We're just gonna smoke it out a little bit, okay? Yeah, I love that pencil eyeliner. I'm pretty sure I've mentioned it before, but it's just so manageable and creamy and easy to work with, and I absolutely. Now we're going back with our mixed berries color at the bottom. But yeah, so back to my story. Yeah, now she has like 8 teeth also. She has 8 teeth. She got teeth really, really early on, but she has all the front teeth now. And she's not biting yet. I take that back. She has bit me a couple of times, but it's when she gets so excited. So yeah, we're kind of working on that. Chick berry again, just to blend it up. Not out of tantrum. I mean, she's only 10 months, but yeah, we're working on that. She listens, so she knows she did something wrong because mommy gets her in trouble and she stopped the last time and she hasn't done it again. So let's hope, because I mean, I know everybody has different ways of dealing and some people do certain things than others, some may be frowned upon, but if you're Mexican, you know what works. Let them the fuck back. But I don't know, everybody in their own home does their own thing. But yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll see when we get there that how we're gonna manage it. But E04 Sigma brush. This is a fan brush. Okay, I'm obsessed with this because I've wanted this brush for the longest time. Just so I can apply. So it's just so I can use it on my brow bone. And let me tell you, could I have done without this? Yes. But does it make me feel bougie as shit? Yes. So, okay, so for this video, I'm gonna use my FX Power Play foundation. I'm still using this foundation and the other Cover FX as well because I still have some. So usually I don't change foundations until I finish them because they're not cheap and I'm not gonna be buying one every week. But yeah, I'm still trying different ones anyway. Okay, so just and I know it's dirty because I used it right now to do my eye concealer, but I've been using this type of sponge, which there's so much more like flimsy, but I don't know why I like them better for my concealer and such. I don't know, than the actual little blenders, like than the smaller version of this, which is also Eco Tool. Also, another thing my 10-month-old does is she pretends to sing. For bronzer, I'm gonna use Take Home the Bronze from the Balm Cosmetics. So yeah, she pretends to sing and is the cutest thing ever. She'll just sit there and go "Ooh," when the song plays. Or maybe it's just the hopeful mom in me that I just wanted to be singing. I don't care. She does it beautifully. We are also watching Frozen 1 finally because at first she was only watching Frozen 2 and I had tried to have her watch the first one, but she just wouldn't watch it with me. I don't know why. But this weekend her dad played it for her and she watched it because I guess she just likes to try other stuff with dad, not with mom, even though I wipe her back. So yeah, does anybody else find themselves getting kind of jealous when their kids do more stuff with their dad? Because I do sometimes. And then of course he likes to rub it in. And I'm like, whatever, I'm her mom. And again, the Juvia highlighter. But yeah, I don't know. It's just so exciting to see her grow and how she's learning to do things and her personality. Because believe me, my 10-month-old, and I'm pretty sure 10-month-olds, but my child has a lot of personality. Because I thought you needed to actually speak to talk back. Well, you don't. According to my daughter, grunting is enough. When mommy tells her, the lilac, come here, and it's like, ah, I guess that's enough to tell me, mommy, I don't want to come here. And then mommy has to get up and be like, I'm not asking you, child. I love you, but I'm not asking you. With this smile on. She tries me. She tries me. You know, I've said it before. When your parents or your family told you, one day you have a kid and you're going to know how it feels, they were cursing me. Because I know how it feels. She's only 10 months. Just kidding. She's a doll. Everything she does is beautiful. I'm going to use my ColourPop lip pencil. This is an Osis Buxom lip gloss in the color Celeste. So yeah, that's me and my 10-month-old chronicles. Seriously, who else is a first-time mom? Like, this is so new to me though. Like seriously, shout out to my family members because they always made it so easy to raise children, and it's not from day one. I mean, is it beautiful? Is it exciting? Is it fulfilling? Is it something that you would do without thinking? I mean, I would, yes, totally. But it's not easy. It's not easy. So again, shout out to all my girls out there raising multiple children, one child, even a man child. I have one of those too. Let's apply some All Nighter Urban Decay setting spray and some lashes. This is Boss Babe lashes. It is a pack of like 5. But yeah, let me tell you though, this whole like quarantine, not going out or just kind of being home because I choose to stay home for now, just did give me enough time to practice, and I am better at putting on lashes. Definitely take it back. I still suck at it, but I get better with the weeks, okay? Don't judge. Yeah, definitely. It's definitely not easy. It's just a feeling I would have never imagined. That's for sure. I would have never imagined the feelings it gives me, to be a mom and to have a baby, and how much I love her. Like, shit, I can't even explain or begin to explain it. She's my life. But yeah, so that was my baby conversation for this week. I am gonna talk a little bit about this makeup. So this is the first time that I actually like this type of crease, but it's the first time. Like, I tried it thousands of times and I sucked at it and sucked at it. But my biggest tip for this is, if you look forward, right where your iris is, that's gonna be your highest point on your dome. Like, that's where you gotta make the line and then bring it down on both sides. That's gonna be my biggest tip for that. That worked. And if you have hooded eyes like me, just go a little bit above your crease, because obviously if you go right on your crease, when you open your eye, you're not gonna see it. It's not gonna be noticeable. So just go a little bit higher, like right in the middle of your eye, and that'll be your highest point, and then lower it to both sides. That's what made a difference for me this time. Because seriously, I've tried it and it's just never looked good. I never liked it. And it would always look different. Also, always like I feel like one eye is higher than the other. So I measured where my highest point was, like kind of like with the brush. Here's my crease brush. So when I did the crease, I measured that the crease was like, for example, the length of the brush part. And that's where I did the first impression. And then, you know, like a windshield wiper, side to side, lowest, highest, lowest, like that. Anyways, I hope you guys took something out of this, something positive. Tell me what you think. How would you approach the whole biting thing? Like I said, everybody has their own methods. Some people have better opinions of certain methods than others. Um, I respect them all. I just wouldn't try certain things, but I definitely want to hear it. If you guys want, leave it in the comments below. What do you think? How would you approach it? I'm gonna keep making videos talking about my baby, because what else could I ever talk about? That's not my child. I mean, seriously, she's amazing. She's right there with daddy, my babies. And yeah, so as always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is makeup_by_Nandis. I try to post more often over there. I do different kinds of looks. I play around a lot with more colors. I play around with different styles and techniques and stuff. So follow me. And yeah, let's keep this family growing. Invite your friends so they can become my friends. Invite your family so they can become my family. Let's become one happy family. Or one family that gets along. I mean, really, we're not aiming for the stars here. We're just trying to land on the clouds. I'm just kidding. But yes, as always, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm going to say it again and again and again. Please show some love. And I will be back next week.